What's up, guys? I'm Starnes Built. I'm gonna do a voiceover over a picture slideshow of my homemade, custom-built, multi-chamber glass pack muffler for my GX390 powered Tao Go Kart. The main reason why I did this was because I ride in a neighborhood, and my neighbors they already put up with my crap and all the loud stuff that I got going on. So I wanted to keep it cordial, want to keep it civil, and that's why I built this muffler. Now the muffler is made out of it's literally 90% made out of a inch and a quarter outer diameter bathroom handrail that I got from Lowe's. It's stainless steel and it's got perfect 90-degree mandrel bends in there, and it works good for exhaust headers and intake manifolds for small engines. I mean, the whole thing is perfect. Here's a video clip of what it sounded like with just straight pipe. Yeah, so big blocks they're loud beasts when they got straight pipes on them. So anyway, this is part of the baffling system that I use for each of the chambers. There's 3 chambers in here, and as the slideshow progresses, I'll explain to you what you're looking at. But that is essentially the mounting hardware plate that mounts onto the wall for the handrail, and I just utilize it to make my chambers. And this next picture here, each chamber's got 3 different things going on. So the one that's closest to you just has slits. That middle chamber there has got slits and holes. And then the last chamber that's closest to the exit has just got holes drilled in it. And I believe the holes are, I can't remember the drill bit that I use. I want to say that they're 1/8 inch holes, give or take. I think it's smaller than that, but it's no larger than 1/8 of an inch. So it's it's definitely multi-chamber, and the idea, though, all I wanted to do was knock the sharpness out of the exhaust. I mean, it is literally almost ear piercing. So, and I was just trying things that I thought, hey, this might work, or I've seen it before in other mufflers that I was researching. But this is just another shot just from the forward part of the where it exits out of the pipe. You can see the largest section is has the holes, and then the middle section slits and holes, and then the section that's closest to the head just has the slits in it. And you'll be able to see that in this next picture here. It's real clear. So you can see the one on y'all's left just got slits. That middle chamber is slits and holes. And then the largest chamber there has just got the holes. And like I said, I was just going off of research and pictures that I had seen of automotive style glass packs and dirt bike glass packs and all this other kind of stuff. And this is just kind of the culmination of, a few hours of research. The muffler body itself is a 3-inch outer diameter piece of aluminum that I got from my local metal supply. Thank you if you're watching. Jay, you were the man. Thank you so much. Anywho, so that's really the only thing that didn't come with the bathroom handrail kit. I mean, I literally used 100% of that bathroom handrail kit, and then I just had to buy that piece of 3-inch pipe. This next picture is the packing that I chose to use. It is it's Scotch-Brite stainless steel like scrubbing pads for pots, and I bought I think 8 or 9 packs of those. And they're expandable, and you can expand them and slide them over the pipe and get them into each one of those chambers. And I just stuffed them in there. I mean, just straight stuffed them in there. Out of the 8 packs I bought, I probably used maybe 3 of them, and there's 2 in each pack. But yeah, I mean that's what I use to try to deaden the sound. There's other stuff you can use. FMF sells actual glass back material, and you can use steel wool and all this other kind of stuff. But I was at Lowe's, and I had read online that could be used, and it's good because it's stainless, and yeah, so it turned out good. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I hope this helps somebody. So I'm gonna leave you with the video clip of how it sounds with this muffler. Enjoy.